How's it going? Welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how you can generate free leads and generate your user base and grow your business. My name is TJ and I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and on my channel you can find video tutorials on how to promote affiliate offers. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button below this video and click that notification bell so you do not miss out on any important videos in the future. You're probably watching this video because you want to generate more leads and sales, but you don't know how. Paying for leads using udemy.com, where you buy solo ads and traffic for me, well, you also buy leads, is a bit outdated, and it's unlikely that you will generate any new sales. And paying for traffic from me or Udemy can be very expensive, right? And if you have already tried YouTube, you know it's difficult to generate huge user base, and the promoting on YouTube is already a bit saturated and expensive as well. So just imagine gaining 1,000 followers without having to hustle on Instagram with follow to follow or spending your valuable time figuring out content for your YouTube channel. So you might be thinking, how can I stand out more in my industry when it's already saturated? So one of the best strategies to gain awareness for your personal or business brand is to dominate a social media app that is new and growing exponentially. And yes, I'm talking about TikTok. So just answer yes or no to the following questions. Are you smart and you know that video content is king? Because videos get skeptical prospects to know, like, and trust you faster than anything else. So have you ever wished there was an easier way than YouTube? So, and would you like to instantly overcome your fear of being on camera and actually get results and not being professional or sounding good? And what if you could get more than 800,000 free video views in the next 28 days? Yes, the entire strategy is 100% free and takes only 50 seconds to do. So you're probably thinking to yourself, well, blah, blah, blah. This is definitely not possible. So if you don't believe me, here's the proof. Here are some of the results. So this woman is generating almost 200 leads per day, and she's probably making a lot of sales. This guy as well, he took this challenge, and in his last 7 days, look how many views he's having. Also, this guy, he has tons of great results, 437 new followers, leads coming in daily, 2 big sales, and so forth. This guy as well, and this guy is crushing, definitely. This guy is huge on TikTok. Multiple people have already generated hundreds of leads per day with this one strategy, and they're actually converting to sales. So if you're wondering how can you do the same, I can show you. Opportunities like this come once in a lifetime. And the same is happening right now on TikTok. This is very powerful, right? And why is it so powerful? Well, you do not have to be a superhero guru. You don't have to have a big email list. You don't have to have a huge YouTube channel or big Facebook or Instagram audiences. And you can start everything from scratch on this one platform. So what is stopping you to start? So posting 50-second videos every day is not a big deal. You don't need to have fancy camera or great background. So if you like to learn more and you would like to learn from pros, I like to recommend a great program for you, which is only $1. So for this $1, you can get a 50-second free lead training course, the 15-day online business builder challenge, where you can start your own digital marketing freelance business. You will also get, as a bonus, Facebook ads templates, high-ticket email templates, high-ticket video scripts, phone scripts, and you will get personal one-on-one business plan coaching. And this is all for only $1. This is from a company called Legendary Marketer, and Dave Sharp is your guy. He coached more than thousands of entrepreneurs who made six figures. And I have purchased his course as well. You can check out my channel and you will see the videos I made where I reviewed his products. So this is a great opportunity for a very low price. If you want to give it a go, there's a link waiting you below this video. Click it, watch the video, sign up, and learn from the best. You gotta step up a bit and take the opportunity when it's given. And I'm looking forward to you joining the program. So click that link and I'll see you inside.